Alright, update on GMT. So let's check out what's going on now. The last time we made a video on this, we were actually down here. We had just broken to the upside of this bullish channel. We'd broken to the upside, we back tested it, and at which point we were talking about a 30% increase. And it seems like we've just come in today and we've absolutely wiped the floor with that price target. You know, we were talking about a 30% rally. This has gone up 55%. So what should we look for now for GMT now that we have gone on this explosive rally? So starting off, let's just look at the price that it's moved up to. I mean, we're up to 372. It's up 16.5% on the day. Now, I would definitely not be FOMOing into this if you're not already in. I have been in this for a very long time since we were down here. I'm personally not looking to get in more bags on this. That is just me. I think that this has gone up very, very fast. But nonetheless, I said this in my last video, the 4-hourly EMAs have been perfectly respected since this came into fruition. So let me talk about this. You can see these we're on the 4-hourly. If we look at the EMA ribbons, every time we've had a correction, we've come back into these EMA ribbons, back tested them and been on our way. You can see quite recently we came back and back tested them, and now we're moving back up again. The bulls, if we look at the squeeze momentum indicator down here, the bullish momentum was set and we just completely exploded. I was seeing crazy volume coming in the past 24 hours, and it seems like GMT is leading the rally for a lot of the altcoins. So I like what we see here. I have talked about this price target before. We are literally hovering into it right now, so keep your eyes on 383. I think that is your next price target. We're literally only a tiny bit away from it. You can see another 3%. I think this will be a strong area of resistance in my opinion. So if we do manage, well, let's start off with a bearish situation, which will probably not be that bearish anyway. If we come zoom in on the 4-hour, you can see worst case scenario, I see us coming into 383, coming back down into these EMA ribbons, and then probably bouncing and, you know, going off on another rally. So I really don't see this going lower than 314, where the previous all-time high is. That would nicely line up with the 4-hourly EMAs. And I love how my bearish, or, you know, the only slightly bearish thing I have to say is that this could come back down, back test the all-time high, and then keep on rallying. I mean, this has been a moonshot of a coin. It's looking very nice, if I say so. And yeah, like as I'm recording this, you can see we're pushing up harder and harder and harder. We're getting closer to our price target. So yeah, I mean, we've only moved up a tiny bit, but yeah, either way, this is the most important level that we're going to interact with in the next couple of days. Keep your eyes on 382. Now, like I said, if we have a rejection, we've got the 4-hourly EMAs to support us. If we do manage to break through this, and this is where it becomes really interesting, if we take out 382, the next Fibonacci extension level would be your 2.618 fib, and that would literally be a 32.5% rally coming in for GMT. So I love the setup of this. I still haven't taken profit. I am holding. When I do plan on taking profit, it will be when we lose these 4-hourly EMAs. So if we do lose them, lose these, hypothetically, let's say we come down, come into them, and then we have a big sell-off, we have a daily close, and we're below these EMA ribbons, then I'll probably be taking profit. And do bear in mind, you know, I've been covering this on my channel since we were down here, and we had a huge explosion. I think we're up thousands and thousands of percent. 38,000%. I unfortunately didn't get in when it was all the way down here. We got in somewhere around about here, I think. I can't remember exactly where we got in, but it's been a wild ride. So yeah, I'm really liking the setup that we're seeing right now. Keep your eyes on 382. Once we take that out, then I don't see anything else in the way of 496. And like I said, in terms of the EMA ribbons, as long as we keep on having our corrections bouncing and then keep on coming up on the EMAs, then your trend is still very much in play. And as I said so far, the trend has been your friend in this one, and it will be your friend until the end. This trend on the 4-hourly EMAs has been so useful. Every time we bottom on these EMAs, it is basically time to buy. If we do lose the 4-hour EMAs, once again, like I said, that would mean this entire trend that we've been working on so far will become invalidated. So at which point I'll be taking my my profit. But until then, this does have a lot more room to grow in my opinion. Keep your eyes on 382. Once we take that out, then 495 is in play. But I think we'll be magnetized to around $5, which is a psychological level. I think we could probably top out before then as well, which is why, you know, 495, that is a decent level to look at next in my opinion. Obviously once we take out 382. That is all I've got for you today. Looking very nice, volume confirming the breakout, and bulls are in control of this entire rally. Once again, not financial advice. Cowboy out. Peace.